Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about levomepromazine, a medication also known as methotrexate. It's an antipsychotic medication used to treat various mental health conditions. Levomepromazine is often prescribed for schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and some severe types of depression. It can also be helpful in managing anxiety and insomnia when other treatments haven't worked. So how does it work? Levomepromazine works by blocking certain chemical messengers in the brain, especially dopamine. This helps reduce symptoms like hallucinations and delusions, and also stabilizes mood. Regarding dosage, it's super important to strictly follow your doctor's instructions. Typically, you start with a low dose that's gradually increased. The amount you need to take to maintain the effect varies depending on the condition being treated and how each person responds. Like all medications, levomepromazine can have side effects. Some of the most common ones are drowsiness, dizziness, and dry mouth. In rare cases, it can cause more serious effects like involuntary movements or heart problems. If you notice any negative effects, it's extremely important to tell your doctor. To sum up, levomepromazine is an effective medication for treating various mental health conditions, but you should always take it under medical supervision. Never change the dose on your own, and always follow the specialist's instruction. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And remember, your mental health is very important.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.